Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to today's one taker. I know get off of a vlog, cool vlog, and going back to one takers. Yeah. Yesterday was my one year day of daily vlogging. Without missing a single day. Well, actually, today would be my 1 year because because right now it's the 30th right now. It's the 31st right now. I'll be uploading this tomorrow, which will be June 1st. When I started vlogging, I uploaded it. I recorded it the same day, 31st, and I uploaded it June 1st. So technically today would be the day, 1 year. But as the months and stuff went by, it ended up 365 days was yesterday. Don't know why I did that, but 365 days should have been today. I don't get it. But I'm glad that it was yesterday because I got to do stuff for it that I wanted to do. Because even with the rain, I was still able to do it. Where's Lane right here? I don't know if you can see him. Hold on. Bear. Stop it. Hey. Bear. Yeah, you are. I see you licking your junk. Is that right, Courtney? You for watching this? If not, I look like a total idiot for just saying we're right. But yeah, yesterday was pretty fun. Previous vlog. Putting in all those cool effects and everything. Freaking dragon, and then the babes packages. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going over to Quinn's house in the morning to help him film and brainstorm ideas for his series that he wants to do. Like I got the holders and he wants to do Yu-Gi-Oh series. So I gathered up all my Yu-Gi-Oh cards. The deck right there. Right there, 3 pins. It's full of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I got them all over the place. There's one right up there. Let me zoom around it. Can you even see it? Doesn't even look like it. Okay, there it goes. Right. That's Yu-Gi-Oh! 10 box. And I got one right there too. Got a bear. So yeah, I'm going to Jeff's house tomorrow. I'm gonna film that and come up with ideas and stuff for his series. It's gonna be fun brainstorming of ideas instead of doing stuff for the holders. Now I can bug him about, hey man, work on this, work on that. I probably wouldn't do that too. Bear, will you quit? Quit playing with yourself and go to bed. No, this is a PG channel. I'm like, what? I'm not doing anything. Just chilling here. Chilling here like a fella. Nice to meet ya. Ouch. I hurt my wrist. I guess, speaking of hurting, today at work I did a little woo-boo. You probably can't even see it. If I can see it then when I edit. There it is. Do you guys see it? That line's at right there. It's like right there. So yeah, we can just right there. These. We have these dump trays at work, so you can like dump the food, dump the like nuggets and chicken and stuff in, carry them over to a different tray, put those in. What is that noise? There's like been like tonight for some reason. Yeah. It's so weird. Don't know what's going on. But like there's these weird loud noises that keep on coming. It's like it sounds like thunder, but it's not. Whenever I look outside, when I hear it, semi trucks passes by. It happened like 10 times tonight. They never go by like that. I don't know why they never go down that street. I don't know what's going on with semi truck stuff, delivering stuff, coal. I don't know. Well, if it was coal, I'd probably do a train, but still, I don't know. It's weird. But anyways, back to my story. This little dump tray thing, like pretend that like it has handles like this, but it's made out of metal, right? I went to go and pick it up. I slid my hand like that, and then I felt something. I was like, "Ow! What the heck is that?" I was like, "Oh crap!" There's a piece of metal like tearing off from it. I think I hear another one. Maybe my imagination. I don't know, but anyways, there's like this little piece of metal hanging off of it. It's like barely like a little crack in it, and it cut me. And it hurt really bad. Like I thought it was just like a little scratch, and I went away, but I was washing my hands at work because I was taking out the trash and stuff, and I was getting back to taking up the. Calm down. I was washing my hands when I took out the trash, and then like I put soap on it, and I was like rubbing my hands together, you know how to wash hands and all that crap. But then I did that, and I felt this horrible burning sensation in my hand. I was like, what is that? And I looked, and yeah, you could see a scratch. I don't know why it hurt so bad. You can't barely even see it on my hand. Don't know why. It's weird. But I hope somebody's truck stop for the night, because I need to go to bed. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna go to bed here because I gotta get up early tomorrow and go to Quentin's house and help him out with a whole bunch of stuff for his series that he wants to do. Don't know if I should vlog it or not. Maybe I should. I don't know, but yeah. Anyways, again, holy crap, 10 minutes. Holy crap, 10 minutes. Wow. 10-minute one taker. Never seen that happening. But yeah. Anyways, if you guys are brand new, please subscribe. It really helps them a lot. And I'll see you guys tomorrow as always. Have a good day or night or whenever you're watching this. 11-minute one taker. As rude as possible. And I'm gonna try to do less one takers this year. So, yeah. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.